Hi everyone in the world, Yahoo! みんな、Mochi sensei です。Thank you so much for always watching my channel, also leaving comments and giving likes. Today, I will be opening something. I received something from YouTube. This is definitely has to be that thing, right? So let's open it together. Finally, I achieved my goal. Well, actually, my goal was 50,000 subscribers last year, but I did it. ドキドキします。It's open now. Wow, it's real. We did it! Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they come to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. So keep creating. Okay, I will. I got message from YouTube. Okay, this is amazing. I almost cried, but I'm holding it right now. Well, I think there are many people who have been watching my video since the beginning, and I started without showing my face. I was really shy. The reason for this is because my goal was simply to teach correct Japanese. I was afraid that if I show my face, if I received critical comments about my appearance, I knew I would be hurt and wouldn't be able to upload a video. So I was really afraid about that. That was the main reason I didn't show my face at the beginning. Well, do you guys want to watch my very first video? Here it is. Hi everyone in this world. 世界中のみんな、Yahoo! I'm Mochi sensei. はじめまして、Mochi sensei です。I'm gonna teach you useful Japanese in this channel. So everyone, when you use translator, didn't you ever feel like, is this really right? Or like, this still doesn't make any sense. Help me someone. Well, I do. I'm still learning English and use translator a lot, and I every time think I need help from real foreigner, not from AI. So, I'm here for you. I will teach you real Japanese that we really use, not from like textbook. I will be so happy if you subscribe my channel. またね! See you in next video. Bye bye! Okay, that was my very first video. So it has changed a lot, my style editing. And I'm always thinking to create better content than yesterday. Through comments from all of you, I received feedback like it's easier to study Japanese if we can see your mouth moving. And I thought it's true, I mean, for sure. So that's why I decided to show my face. And everyone is so nice and always leaves nice comments. So again, at first, my goal was only to teach Japanese correctly, but now it has changed to wanting to study Japanese together and growing with everyone. I never thought it would be able to connect with such a large audience through social media. YouTube is not my main job. I'm simply a Japanese teacher. So it's not like I work... Oh, hello, Konoha. So it's not like I work hard only for this silver button, but I'm really happy that we all together were able to achieve something that not everyone on YouTube can achieve. What do you think? Hello.
何これ?
So guys, this is our silver button, okay? This year, I will show you guys more powerful Mochi sensei, so please look forward to it. I will continue to release Japanese videos that are even easier to understand. I will also try to respond to requests. And also, please make sure to join to Mochi Study Squad on Instagram. I recently shared Learn Japanese from Zero as a learning material with the members, so if you haven't joined yet, please make sure to join. Thank you everyone for always helping me to achieve my goals. Please try using the Japanese you've practiced. And I'm gonna talk in Japanese from now on. 本当にありがとうございます。自分が銀の盾を手に入れるなんて全然思ってなくて、昔から YouTube は見てましたけど、いろんな YouTuber が銀の盾とか金の盾とかもらってて、10万人とか100万人とか信じられない人数が見てるんだなって、本当人事だったんですね。というか自分が YouTube をするとも全然思ってなかったし、絶対しないって思ってたから、その顔を出すのも嫌だったので、するわけないと思ってたんですけど、日本語の先生として長いビデオの方が分かりやすく説明できるとか、そういう部分で始めた YouTube でした。で、インスタグラムは結構フォロワーがどんどん増えていったんですけど、 YouTube は全然最初の方伸びなくて、最初からチャンネル登録してくれてる人は知ってると思うんですけど、ゼロから始まって100人200人って1万人まで行くのに多分1年ぐらいかかったかなと思います。自分で動画見返したりして、どうしてこんなに YouTube の登録者増えないのかなって考えた時に、見ても全然面白くないし、話すのも遅いし、ちょっとこの声、なんかアニメみたいな声で長く見てるのが辛いっていう人もいるだろうなって思ったんですね。チャンネル登録が伸びないっていう現状を目の当たりにしている中で、やっぱりどんどん自信がなくなっていってしまって、ビデオそもそも向いてないから、教材とか作ったりして日本語を教えるって他の道もあるから、そっちにフォーカスした方がいいのかなってずっと悩んでました。で、何回かみんなにもちょっと YouTube やめるかもっていうのも話したことあると思うんですけど、結構本気でやめようって思ってたんです。でもその度に皆さんがごめんなさい皆さんが優しいコメントを残してくれたりして、見てるよ、応援してるよっていうコメントを見て、頑張ろうと、ここまで3年間ですね、3年間頑張ることができました。本当にありがとうございます。これは本当に私だけのものじゃなくて、みんなで取った銀の盾なので、どこに飾ろうかな、一生大事にします。本当に頑張ってきてよかったなと思います。It's really unbelievable. Hard to believe that I received this silver button. Well, sorry for crying, but thank you for watching till the end, and see you guys on the next video. Let me say this again. Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。またね。